Did you know that a simple daily hygiene habit could significantly impact your health after 60? It's true. Today, we're revealing the often overlooked body part that, when cleaned daily, can contribute to a longer, healthier life for those aged 65 to 80. Welcome to our channel, where we share essential health and wellness tips for seniors. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Segment 1. The importance of hygiene and aging. As we age, our immune system becomes less robust, making us more susceptible to infections. Maintaining proper hygiene is crucial in preventing illnesses and promoting overall well-being. But there's one body part that many people overlook, which can harbor harmful bacteria if not cleaned regularly. Segment 2. The overlooked body part. So, what's the overlooked body part? The belly button. Yes, it's the belly button. A small area can accumulate sweat, dead skin cells, and bacteria, leading to infections if neglected. Regular cleaning is essential, especially for seniors. To clean your belly button, use a soft cloth or cotton swab dipped in warm water and mild soap. Gently clean the area, avoiding harsh scrubbing. Rinse with clean water and dry thoroughly. Incorporate this into your daily routine to reduce the risk of infections. Segment 3. Additional areas to pay attention. While the belly button is crucial, other areas also require daily attention. Behind the ears, sweat and oil can accumulate, leading to odor and infections. Under the fingernails, dirt and germs can hide here, so regular cleaning is vital. Between the toes, moisture can lead to fungal infections like athlete's foot. The tongue, bacteria buildup can cause bad breath and impact oral health. Regularly cleaning these areas can significantly improve overall hygiene and health. Segment 4. Tips for maintaining hygiene. Here are some tips to help you maintain proper hygiene. Set reminders to clean these areas daily. Use gentle, non-irritating soaps. Ensure you dry all areas thoroughly after washing. Consult your healthcare provider if you notice any unusual symptoms. Incorporating these simple hygiene practices into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your health and longevity. Conclusion. Remember, taking care of your body is a lifelong commitment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips tailored for seniors. Stay healthy and take care.